Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how we can be restore our this entire environment in the Microsoft Power Apps. Okay. So if something is deleted or something is broken unsuddenly from you, okay, you can use this trick to restore your environment. Okay. So you need to go to the Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center by click on this gear icon and you can move it. Then just go to the manage section. In the manage you have the environments, okay, and just click here, okay, whichever environment you need to restore. So I want to restore this one, okay, sales trier one. So let's I go to the history section. So whenever you start to restore your environment, at that time, if your environment size is large, okay, so restore process will take a time, but as usual, okay. So if your environment size is 1 GB, so it is near around taking the 3 to 4 hours to restore that, okay. If your environment size and the region that is faster, so it will time will reduce, okay. And if your environment size is larger, okay, like on 5 GB 6 GB, so it can be take more time as well. In some of the times it will take 200 times as well, okay, means 2 days, 1 day, 24 hours as well, according to your environment size, okay. So let's we go, and in the environments, okay, try to restore this is one of the disadvantage, okay. Apart from that, okay, another one is like all the app urls, okay, that you have for the canvas app, that will be restore, okay, that will be changed. So let's say go and go to the. So if you see, okay, so for the this trial environment, I not have the backup and restore available. So for that you just need to go to the settings and you need to enable, okay. So mostly if you guys just select this developer account now, okay, and here if you see we have the backup option here, okay. There are two types. One is new manual backup and second one is restore or manage backup, okay. So this, let's I showcase you this one, restore or manage, okay. So whenever you click on this, your restore will start, okay. So if you see, it is in loading, okay. I will showcase you the interface first. Then we need to select the date from where this environment, okay, from where what time we need to restore, okay. So if you see, I selecting 8 August, okay. If I select the today's date at the 10, okay, so recent backup is 11:30, okay, PM. So up to that we can be take, all the time zone is available, so you can just select according to that. And whenever you click here on the continue, your backup will start, okay. And here is a manual backup you can create, okay, whenever you have some free time, give some label to this, okay. and your backup will be stored. Okay, like month wise backup you can be keep like here. Means something breaks in the some of the month, you can restore that particular thing. Okay, so manual backup works in that way. So let's I cancel this. Okay, and if I go here, okay, in the restore and backup, okay, let's select the time 12 a.m. Continue. Then here the environment you need to select. Okay, from which environment you need to. If you select the new environment, then each URL will change. Okay, and if you select the current environment, so in that case the URL will remain same. But for your Canvas app, okay, Canvas app URL will be changed. Okay, whenever you're restoring the this thing. So here you can also copy the audit logs. Okay, if that is present, so all the logs will be also there. Let's click on the restore and click on the confirm here. So now if you see our restore is started, it takes some time when it is loading. Okay, and if I go to the demo J environment now, okay, if let's I go and demo J, okay, my environment is re- reading. Okay, it's taking time. Apps table you can't say anything. Okay, because your run is in the currently in progress. Okay, so if you can see the status from here as well. Okay, if you go to the environments, in the all environments you can see. Okay, state is running. Okay, and if I go in the table, so you will see this type of error. Okay, something went wrong, please try again. So once it is restore, okay, all the things will be present at the place. Okay, and that's all friends. If you have any question, any doubt while restoring the environment, please let me know in the comment box.